Hey everybody, Carolina Gun Guy here. I want to do a quick unboxing video. I recently picked up a Heritage Manufacturing Rough Rider revolver. It's a 16-inch barrel. It's just 22 caliber. So I want to do a quick unboxing to show you what's in there. I will be doing a full review in the next 2-3 weeks, and I'll get more video on this. But just for now, we can see what's in the box. So you open it up, and there's the instruction manual, NRA thing. This revolver also takes the 22 mag ammo, so you can buy a new cylinder to accept that for 30 bucks. Blah, blah, blah. Gun lock. And the revolver itself. For those of you who may be fans of Spaceballs, it's kind of like the part in the movie when the ship comes into view and it just never seems like it's going to end. I mean, this is a 16-inch barrel. It's more of just a fun gun. Obviously, I don't see any practical use for this, but I hope to have a lot of fun with it. It's probably going to be a head turner at the range, but this is not the kind of gun you see all the time. I saw it. It was 160 bucks through Kentucky Gun Company, shipping and taxes and everything, and I was like, you know what? I gotta get it. There's no way I can't pay 160 bucks for this awesome revolver. So I'm gonna take a look at it and get used to it and do some shooting with it, and I'll get back to you guys with a review in the near future. Thanks for watching, guys.